Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G87, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. As long as it doesn't have that plastic wrapping around it, which if it does, you can cut it off. Now, once you have either one of those, you can pop out a tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, right over here, where the pin is holding right now, and you want to push it in. When you do, the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for one SIM card and one SD card, or two SIM cards, as the big tray right here is interchangeable with both as far as I'm aware. Let's see. Oh no, never mind. So it's just one SIM and one SD, sorry. If I'm misled. So you can use only one of each. So grab each one of your cards, place it in here. Now, there is a little bit of a retention here happening, so the cards are kind of holding in there just a little bit, maybe not perfectly, as this SD card is a little bit on an angle. I don't think it's all the way, that's probably why. Oh, I think I fixed it. There we go. So it's now completely flush. So that's what you want to do, have these cards completely flush on the tray, and then insert it back into your device. There we go. And once you do so, these cards, as you can see, should start working right away. That's why it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin. So I'm going to do that right now. And this will... That's a wallpaper. Wow. And let's just do one more pin to unlock the phone. And that's it. So the card is unlocked and ready to go. And SD card should give us, there we go, a notification that it is being detected as well. So with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.